Hi, this is William from Terrace Pipelining, and we're at 22 Southeast 3rd Terrace in Dania, Florida. Now what you're looking at is the bottom of the 90. We're going to start pulling back. This is the laundry stack. There's an opening right there. I keep pulling back. There's some little bit of flakes of plastic. It'll dissipate and flake off. There's another opening right there. Second floor opening. Again, this is William with Terrace Pipelining. We're at 22 Southeast 3rd Terrace in Dania Beach, or Dania, Florida. And this is the laundry stack, yellow. Again, William with Terrace Pipelining at 22 Southeast 3rd Terrace in Dania, Florida.